How to publish your Base44 app on Apple Store. Now, at the beginning, you should know that you cannot submit a Base44 app to the Apple Store directly because Base44 apps are progressive web apps, not native iOS applications. Apple Store only accepts iOS-based apps. To publish your app, you must first convert your Base44 app into a native iOS file using a third-party service. In this video tutorial, we will use App My Web. So here I have my application, and this is a small application for scheduling with service, for example. I'm gonna click on publish, for example, then I'm gonna copy this link. Then I'll search for App My Web. Then I will go for this option right here. Then of course you will need to sign up. Then you wanna go and click on Create App. Then you wanna give the app the name, let's say Mindfully Therapist, for example. Then I'm gonna paste the URL right here. Then I'm gonna click on continue. Then I'm gonna click on run preview. And here on the right side, you can see your app and you can actually try to use it. And if you find any problem, you just have to go back to Base44 and do your modifications until you are done. Then copy the link again by clicking on publish, copy the link and do the same process. And here on the top right side, you can choose between Android or Apple. So in my case, I will use Apple Store. So I'm going to use this option. And now you can download the app or you can publish it directly through this platform, App My Web. You just have to go and click on this option on the bottom left side. Then go and publish it whenever you want. After that, you will have to wait for a confirmation and approval from App Store or Google Play, whatever you upload the application on. Then your application will be displayed on all the stores that you need. And that's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.